Stop saying very. 20 advanced words to upgrade your English instantly. If you want to sound more advanced in English, here's a simple rule. Stop saying very. Very good. Very bad. Very tired. Very happy. It works, but it makes you sound basic. Native speakers rarely use very this much. Instead, they use one powerful word that says the same thing, but sounds smarter, sharper, and more natural. Here are 20 words that instantly replace very and upgrade the way you sound. Instead of very happy, say thrilled. Instead of very sad, say devastated. Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Instead of very scared, say terrified. Instead of very angry, say furious. Instead of very hungry, say starving. Instead of very thirsty, say parched. Instead of very beautiful, say gorgeous. Instead of very ugly, say hideous. Instead of very smart, say brilliant. Instead of very stupid, say absurd. Instead of very big, say enormous. Instead of very small, say tiny. Instead of very cold, say freezing. Instead of very hot, say scorching. Instead of very clean, say spotless. Instead of very dirty, say filthy. Instead of very easy, say effortless. Instead of very difficult, say grueling. Instead of very interesting, say fascinating. Here's the important part. These words aren't just fancier. They carry more emotion, more precision, and more impact. Saying I'm exhausted doesn't just mean tired. It makes people feel how tired you are. Start with just 3 of these words this week. Use them in real sentences, in real conversations. Once they become natural, add 3 more. Do this. And people won't just understand your English. They'll notice it.